Hey, hey, plug walk. Plug. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in his space.
Hey. Yo.
Chicken cutter, okay. Maserati, we get Maserati, okay.
Hey. All right. So that's pretty much it for the turn up. But
he said that's a 5-second turn up right there.
But anyways, I got the crew. We about to go get some food. Y'all already know how we do. But before I start any video, of course I have to get my daily turn up. But y'all haven't heard this. See, I do this all the time. Y'all haven't heard my my howl yet. All right. All right. Y'all about to bust out laughing. But anyways, what's good, guys? And we back with another banger. And we about to, this how I gotta do my intro. So anyway, so we about to head and get some food. But here, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the camera. Go ahead, y'all introduce yourself. Tell them what y'all about, you know what I'm saying? What city y'all be repping, know what I'm saying? No. What I'm saying? You can say anything, just tell them your name.
Alright, I'm Eris. You know, repping the Dominican Republic over here.
I feel it.
And Boston. Boston. Come on. Come on.
I don't know. I move. I travel everywhere. So I'm a little dark, you know. Oh, okay. Here you go. Nah, my name's Alex. From everywhere. Jamaica. Lighting's bad. You can't see me, dark as fuck.
On the,
you really could not see me.
I promise you it'll be.
What's good? I'm Ekram. I'm Ethiopian. There she is.
Dominican.
I know. I'm the whitest one here right now. Literally, this is like culture day. But yeah, I gotta go to class. So enjoy the video. See you guys.
Look, I got you. Here you go. You gonna need some of that sun right there. You know what I'm saying? I'm most likely gonna keep it because it's funny. It's funny. But anyway, so we about to go get some food. Woo. Oh, let me up. I was gonna get that for y'all. Alright, I got. Hey, look, I got the next one. I got the next one. Thank you. At the least. Again,
This is a nice
I'll live. I'm good. I'll live. They see me 80,000 times, all right? So they know I'm here. I'm gonna adjust.
I don't know. What are we doing? What are we doing here?
You guys pointed the camera in the wrong direction. I love the photo bomb.
So y'all know I gotta get the big boy meal. So I'm gonna get the All-Star Special with raisin toast, hash browns with a slice of cheese on it, chocolate chip pancake, and then I'm bad. Chocolate chip waffle, and then can I get 2 extra eggs with cheese on all of them?
How many pieces of cheese do you want? 4?
1 piece of cheese for each egg, so all 4.
Okay.
And then to drink, I'll go ahead and get sweet tea.
Sweet tea? Okay, do you want ham, bacon, or sausage?
Do y'all want that?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Okay. You can have mine. That's what I really like.
That's a big boy order right there, y'all. That's a big boy order.
Good afternoon.
I'm trying to get it low.
I'm gonna need better lighting. Like I'm gonna have to walk around with a freaking ring.
Bruh, I look so white though. Like, look the difference.
Yeah, you need a tan.
I need a tan. We need a tan before.
I'm not tanning.
No, well, I need a tan before making any video.
I know, right? Wait, Eric has to go and get a tan before we shoot.
Before we shoot, any shoot. I gotta
Where's
go
Eris?
tan.
Oh, she's outside tanning.
She's outside tanning. I mean, I tan easily. Come on. It's just, it's been winter and you know, it's
The
been
sun's
very
looking
cloudy.
out.
Yeah.
Almost forgot. Yeah, before y'all start.
You're gonna delete that. You have to.
Are you sure?
Delete that. He's probably not.
He's not.
No, I got
When I
also
see
in the
video, if
camera.
I think it's funny, I'm probably going to. But, anyways.
Oh yeah, I'm Alex. You know, I was too dark. I was the dark one in the back. You know. But you can see me now. I'm my little poo.
I'm still Eris, the whitest one right here.
We're planning our YouTube channel. It's gonna be me and her and our other friend Naomi, our good friend Naomi. We have no pictures of her because we're terrible friends.
Double A. And
We're trying to make up a name right
I don't
now.
know.
Omar's our boss.
A-N game. Or, nah, y'all need.
Because it is 2 A's and 1
It'd be
A.
like the.
A-N-N.
A-N-A.
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 A and A.
Like A-N-A.
A.
I mean, we can always change it,
That'd
right?
be like, it's the A&A girls or
Yeah,
something
we
like
can always
that.
change it afterwards.
Yeah.
I mean, like, we started as this.
Well, I think. Will YouTube let you switch your name? I think you can.
I think you
I believe
can.
I
The
believe
same
you
way you switch your name on Instagram.
Yeah.
Like, we can make it more official. Be like, we want to make our name more official. Found something else that's better. I mean, they can say no, as long as no one else has it, you know?
Right. Or like A&A. She likes that.
A.
It sounds like TNT.
Then you can have your other friends sitting like right in the middle.
Right, exactly.
A&A.
Then we all say y'all name A and no.
I like Naomi Eris.
I like it.
We're the Oreo. The Naomi at the end. Put her in the
I
middle.
know, I should be in the middle.
Wow, good lord.
We'll always switch it up though.
We
We won't be in the same position every time.
No, we shouldn't be. But it's okay. In the summer when we do videos, I'll be
A little bit
closer.
darker, so
I'll be closer.
you'll be closer in the range.
Like a golden.
Or you going to walk out and they got music playing. You also got to be mindful of that as well. Yeah, it's honestly like there's a lot to watch out for.
I say that. I know because they just started playing music.
And then like you can't, and then that's being that'll be in the video.
You drag it to wherever it is. Like on the music, how you had it at the end, you saw all your music, like each line, just drag it to wherever I just cursed and put it on top of that. Just like
I like it.
make it
I
short.
like it.
Just beep, beep. Or we could do something else like a chicken. I don't know, something different, you know?
I know we should do something different, like
Like a sound
another
effect.
sound.
Like,
So I
A Cardi B, her
know.
noise effect.
how'd she do it?
We're ugly. Cardi B.
Y'all sound like y'all on Animal Planet. Like what the hell?
It's like a picture. Did you see that video? I was just watching it. She was all
On Animal Planet.
Okay. I was like, yeah, you're wrong for
I'm Dominican. What you expect?
Take that off.
That's not being.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it depends. Cause I do gotta cut some of the video, so because of the music. So we'll see.
I'm doing it. I literally watched the video.
After I grab this.
Or scrambled cheese. Thank you. That's why we don't need that many plates. So good, put the bacon in the middle.
I gotta make sure I grab.
Alright, let me just.
Can you also go? You got this.
I'm gonna put your bacon like maybe on a plate and then.
Alright, and before y'all get to eat it, I gotta get a thumbnail real quick. A thumbnail. So I wanna see if I can get all the food in there.
I can't buy this. I'm not sure.
Most of the. Oh, is that a gold Corvette?
Where? Oh, over there?
Yeah. That's not a gold. That's like my brownness. But anyways, guys, y'all, we just had some lit Waffle House. You know, I gotta watch my figure. But you know, I gotta watch my figure. Oh. But you know, sometimes you gotta.
The freaking car is hot and cold outside at the same time. Like, I know. This is some
First of all, don't complain, okay? I will leave you out here.
Cold, but then the sun is hot. Open the door.
Yeah, mixed emotions. I left my phone in here. Oops.
Oh shit.
That would have been bad. Yeah, it's right here now.
I know, like, I would know this.
Because I was so focused.
Let me see. You were so focused on eating.
Alright guys, so this wraps the video up. I hope you guys do enjoy. Make sure you always like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting on my stallion and I'm getting out of here. Oh God. Yo, I'm so extra, y'all. Please ignore that.